Hello there guys, welcome in another part. So it's time for us to go and make some more assets for the scene because at this point we have kind of just the basic scene and stuff and some of the additional models which we done in mines. So right now we have to just focus on the small assets which we should not spend a lot of time just to be there and just take out some of the attention and from the bad parts of the level. So at this video, I would like to just quickly create the barrel, and in another video, we're just gonna import it to UDK. So okay, let's start from the barrel. It's gonna be one of the easiest models to create. Uh, Actually, it's supposed to be something like that. As you can see, it's going pretty quick. And also, as you can notice, I'm using Maya 2015, so some of the parts should be fairly different. Like as you can notice, there is no insert edge loop tool and stuff. The edge loop tool is over here in mesh tools, not under edit mesh. So some of the stuff will be a bit different in modeling, but the rest is still the same. So right now what I want to add 3, and I'm just picking up those two, and I'm gonna move it somewhere here. That's perfect. So right now let's select the face, so this one we need to extrude it, and let's do it again like this. Like this is fine. So we're gonna do this exactly the same with the bottom. We don't need grade, so we're just gonna get rid of it. It's fairly good. So this edge, I don't need it. So well, even I right now don't really know where's this tool, so I'm just gonna delete it normally and just gonna delete the vertices later. Okay, so we have a barrel ready, and it's time to take the texture. So we're gonna have material, just fairly basic Lambert. Let's go to file, and over here what I have a texture, and I'm gonna use this one, and as you can see, the texture doesn't really, the UV doesn't really match, so it's pretty bad. But don't worry about that. We're gonna go and have a cylindrical mapping on this model. Okay, and right now what we need to do, we need to make it match to our barrel over here. So here somewhere is the middle. Something like that. So this one is fine. So right now we have our bottom selected, we have planar mapping, and we're gonna project from y-axis. Just scale it down and put it on the bottom. Yeah, this one is okay. Now let's select top one. And right now we can do exactly the same because it's still projecting from Y. So that's fairly easy, but what we need to do, we need to take these ones and we need to unfold. Is it unfolded? Yeah, it is unfolded. What we need check is, okay, we have this edge, this one corresponds to, okay, this is bottom, to this one corresponds to this, and this one. Okay, so it's unfolded, so we're just gonna reposition it again. So we take this one, to show. Just gonna move it down. Take this one to show. This one here. Place this on the middle. And stretch this one a bit over here. Something like this. Now take this one. Reposition it. Okay, this one is fine. We have just one simple borrow. Oh, actually, I noticed there was just one thing was what we need to replace. Up and down. Okay, this one is done. So as you can see, this is pretty basic model, almost no poly count on it, but you see those kind of brown detail on it, on the texture. I want to make it bit better, so I'm gonna add polygon to this. So I'm gonna create one over here and one over here, and around this I'm gonna create one here, and same over here. So it's looking a bit more better. Even from edge, it's looking like it's the detail is over there. So okay, this is fine. We done stuff. I'm gonna just delete the history on it. Gonna go to material attributes. I'm gonna take bump map. And I'm gonna take normal I'm gonna apply to it. I'm just gonna go back and put this bump map a bit lower. So it's looking a bit more like a barrel. And okay, right now this one is fine. We have UVs done. And just quick thing, we need to go back to UVs, select this one, go to new set, just apply and close. So we have right now 2 UV sets. We have no overlapping UVs, and right now just create another cylinder. Okay. Right now I think I'm lost. Okay, I need to change the UVs anyway. Okay, I'm just gonna create this one, call it barrel 01, and this one is gonna be UCX barrel 01. Okay, I'm gonna put this one on the layer quickly. Gonna have a look. Okay, our barrel is upside down. But this doesn't really make us a difference. It's gonna rotate our barrel. Instead of rotating the everything else, I'm just gonna rotate this one. Right now I'm just gonna freeze transforms, delete the history, and all fine, all done. So right now I'm just gonna export it. I can export it to the scenes. I'm gonna export it as FBX. Don't want cameras, don't want animation. Anyway, I don't have any. I don't want any lights. I want to embed media. Under advanced options I want to have FBX 13. I'm gonna call it barrel 01. Yeah, and that's really quick asset, really nice to make. On the next part we're gonna import this one to the UDK and just place it somewhere in the level, just to test it if everything's worked fine. Okay, thanks guys, see you soon.